family, Lamarr Wilson here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing New Coke. Yes, I will be putting New Coke in my mouth 34 years later from when it came out. Is it still going to be good? I wasn't even born 34 years ago. Man, I'm lying. Now, I'm not a big drinker of pop these days, and yes, it's pop. I dare you to say it's soda. I dare you in the say it's soda, and I will. Sorry, I'm from the Midwest. Calm down. We call it pop. I just scared a lot of people there. But I love Coke and I know the taste of it. So when I gulp this New Coke, I don't actually know how many are in here. Well, I'm just gonna drink one, but I think there's a bottle in here too. But yeah, we'll just drink. I always drink from the can. We'll drink from the can. We'll do it live. We'll find out. Well, you won't find out. I'll find out. This is actually in collaboration with Stranger Things. Now, while I unbox this, how did I find this? Well, what happened? Got you. Okay, what happened was I was on Instagram. Let me just tell you, Instagram ads work on me. If you think that I buy a lot of things about clothing, about other things off Instagram ads, and I saw Instagram ad for this, I'm like, okay, I have to have this for a video and for myself. Instagram ads get me, boy. Woo. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up. Looks like it's very well protected. Okay, so. Oh, yeah, nothing was broken. It has this little cone in there to make sure the bottles and can't. Also, I had this in the refrigerator the last 3 days because I knew it was a drink. I like them cold, so I want to make sure they're cold. So in the box, you have 2 tiny bottles. You didn't even come with a bottle opener. I ain't got no, I do, but I don't know where it is. No, oh my God. Okay, so there we go, guys. And if you don't remember the controversy of this, back in the day, Coke changed they wanted to, Pepsi was winning, or at least getting to the point where they were looking like they were winning. And they decided to change their formula. But Coke's been around for like decades with a certain taste. And when they changed it to this New Coke, boy, people had a fit. And so much so, they backtracked and brought back regular Coca-Cola Classic as we know today. So just a little history lesson. You can read more about it on Wikipedia because I ain't Wikipedia. So, so they gave me 2 New Cokes. The original Coke bottle. Wow, that is a classic. So this is the original taste. Oh, so I can compare the two. Well, I'm going to have to go get a bottle opener now. And then this is Zero Coke, which I do drink more of because, well, zero sugar, Okay, so I went to go find a bottle opener. I'm kidding. I have one right here. I didn't know I had one because I know it was this kind of opener for wine. Not that I'd be drinking, but just for people. I got to play down to y'all. I'm grown. But yeah, it has a bottle opener here. So we're going to taste the New Coke. We'll put 1 can to the side for later. For myself, we'll taste the Coca-Cola Classic compared to this, and then we'll try the zero sugar because I'm familiar with this one. All right, so actually, I'm gonna switch it up. I wanna. I should have not done this off on camera. Okay. Let me get the original taste in my mouth. This is what I know, what I remember from like probably 2 weeks ago when I was at the restaurant. Okay, here we go. Woo, mama! Hold on. I want to drink this whole thing right now. It is very, very, very tasty. Okay, Netflix original series Stranger Things. It's just cool how they have it on it. I showed it to you already, but like, that's just so cool. New Coke. So I got that taste in my mouth. I know it's bottled with a can, but it's pretty much the same. So now let's taste New Coke the way they made it 34 years ago. Hold on, because I know what I want to say, but I also want to make sure something. All right, that one definitely seems smoother and a little bit less sugar. It doesn't seem like it has a lot of sugar in it, but it might have the same, but it just maybe the formulation of it. Oh, they don't have the nutrition things on here. Okay, y'all was smart. Actually, it's on the box. So yeah, I was right. Classic Coca-Cola, this one had 26 grams of extra sugars, added sugars, which is still a lot to be having, period. This one has 42. It's not quite double, but dang, that's why this one tastes a lot sweeter. And I was like, wait a minute. I mean, it tastes good, but it is really sweet. So that's what threw a lot of people off. And I already know what Zero Coke tastes like, but since we got all 3 of them here together, and people laughing at me. Shut up. Here we go. Oh, great. We won't be commenting about that. All right, I got to do this all over again because I forgot. All right. Yeah, so this one tastes Honestly, almost identical to this one. Although if it's not cold enough, just to let you know about zero sugar if you ever want to try this one. If you've never had it, it tastes almost identical unless you leave it out for just a little bit. If it's not as cold, you can taste the aftertaste, that fake sugar taste. But other than that, if it's really cold, like this one is, you really don't taste it. So that's my 2 cents. Yeah, it's not that New Coke was bad. It's that it was just a lot more sugar and then they've changed it. So that's why it's gone. And this one is the one that we know is back. What does this have to do with Stranger Things? I thought I was like taste it and it tastes like the Demogorgon or something. I don't know what I was thinking. Can you put these back on? Okay, you can. Because I'm like, I'm not trying to drink all this right now. Ain't nobody got time for that. This is too much. And what am I gonna do with you? Don't lie, say you ain't done this before. You from the hood too.